Alright everyone, Unity has officially entered the AI space and this is a new Unity AI platform. Now important thing, this is still in beta, but even at this stage the direction is very clear. Unity basically wants AI integrated directly into the game development workflow, not as a separate tool but inside the Unity editor. Let's look at this video. An amazing video. Now if you scroll down, here we can find Unity AI suite. I think this is much needed in this AI world. So Unity is providing agentic assistant much needed. MCP server to connect with other application as well. So this is a really great way where Unity is heading. So basically Unity is focusing on things like contextual project assistance, asset generation, debugging help, scene setup and workflow automation. And these are pretty much given also here, showcasing how we can understand the project context to your editor, bring your own assets, and that will be alive in this automation and animation. So the biggest takeaway here is the direction. Game engines are slowly becoming AI assisted and Unity clearly wants to be part of that future. So yeah, that's a quick look at Unity AI. Let's see where this goes.